Warm greetings of the evening to one and all. Welcome to our official YouTube channel, Akka TV. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Onkar Kakade, Registrar, Professor R. Sunandamma, Professor Namdev Gowda, Chairperson, Department of English, Mr. Deepak H. Sinde, Coordinator, Department of English, Course Coordinator, Shri Akshay A. Yardi, Resource Persons, Teachers, Listeners, and dear friends. We have all gathered on this virtual platform for the inauguration of one of the ambitious projects undertaken by our university. Online course in spoken English is an academic endeavor jointly organized by the Tele-Education Center, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication and Department of English, Karnataka State Akka Mahadevi Women's University, Vijaypur. First of all, I would like to speak a few things about the Tele-Education Center, which has been organizing several useful academic programs for the benefit of students. The center is functioning under the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, which has a well-equipped audio-visual studio and production unit. So far, the center has produced several useful academic programs and has received excellent response from the audience. The Department of English is one of the pioneering departments of the university. It has been established in the very year of establishment of the university. The department has been active since its inception. Along with teaching literature to MA students, offering research programs such as MPhil and PhD, it has also offered skill-oriented programs such as PG Diploma in English Translation and PG Diploma in Communicative English. There is a well-established language lab in the department which is extremely beneficial to the students. The department has organized several national and international seminars, conferences in the recent years. Now, in the time of COVID-19 pandemic, the department in collaboration with the Tele-Education Center has come up with a unique course. With these introductory words, I move on to the first step of this function. I request the students of Center for Performing Arts to render the Mahila Geete. Thank you for the melodious presentation. I now request our respected registrar, Professor R. Sunandamma, to welcome all to this function.
ಟೆಲಿ-ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂವಹನ ವಿಭಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಹಿಳಾ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸಂವಹನ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯದ ತರಬೇತಿ ನೀಡುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮದಾಗಿದೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 120 ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಟಿವಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಮೂಲಕ 14/12/2020 ಸಂಜೆ 6:30ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್, ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚಸ್, ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಕರಿಂಗ್, ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನಲ್ ಡೈಲಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಮುಂತಾದ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಪಾಠಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ತಜ್ಞರು, ಸಂವಹನ ಕೌಶಲ ತಜ್ಞರು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಓಂಕಾರ ಗೌಡ ಕಾಕಡೆ ಅವರು ಲೋಕಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿರುವ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಹಾಗೂ ಕಲಾನಿಕಾಯದ ಡೀನರೂ ಆದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ನಾಮದೇವ್ ಗೌಡ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡಲು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೈಜೋಡಿಸಿದ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ತಜ್ಞರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರುಕ್ಮಾ ವಾಸುದೇವ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ನಿವೇದಿತಾ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಬಿ ವಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ನಂದಾ ಹಂಪಿವಳಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸುರುದಾ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅನುಪಮಾ ಢವಳೆ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮನೋಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ನೀಸ್, ಶ್ರೀ ಚನ್ನಬಸವ ಅಸ್ಪರಿ, ಶ್ರೀ ನಂದಕಿಶೋರ್ ಎಸ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಮಠಪತಿ, ಕುಮಾರಿ ಜೆನ್ನಿಫರ್ ಸೌಲಂ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಆರ್ಡಿಯವರು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿದಾರರಾಗ್ತಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೂಡಲು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ARD ಅವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಇಚ್ಛೆಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, madam. I now request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Onkar Kakade, to deliver the inaugural address.
Greetings to one and all. Karnataka State Akka Mahadevi Women's University has always been exploring ways to achieve academic excellence. With its aim of empowering women students, the university has organized several academic programs so far. This year, with the onset of COVID-19 pandemic, the education system had to take support of technology to reach out to the student community even during their physical absence in schools, colleges and universities. Regular classes are being conducted through several online platforms. I feel extremely happy to state that our university has utilized technology to a greater extent and has continued to serve the student community in times of crisis. Along with the regular online classes, the university came out with some wonderful outreach programs online. The first one was the online coaching for KCET examinations, which was launched in the month of June and got a great popularity across the state. Nearly 13,000 students across Karnataka had registered for this program. The online coaching was thus very beneficial to several aspirants of KCET examination. The success in online platforms has given the university a motivation to go ahead for another ambitious academic venture. As most of our students come from rural backgrounds, they are not exposed to communicative English. Although they study English as one of the subjects right from their school days, they have very few opportunities to express themselves in English and hence grow fearful of English language. With proper guidance and exposure to spoken English, the students will definitely be able to learn communicative and presentation skills in English. Having a sound knowledge of English grammar and communication will help students build confidence and competence. This confidence shall give them the courage to face interviews comfortably. Thus, good communication in English has become a need of the hour. I am delighted to inaugurate the online course in spoken English, which will be launched on Akka TV YouTube news channel from today. With a view to provide professional coaching to students in English communication, we have come up with this project. This program shall give a sound knowledge about the basics of English grammar and communication. The course has nearly 110 videos lectures by more than 10 resource persons. As of now, nearly 7,000 students from across Karnataka have registered for the course. The course is free of cost and will be made easily accessible on YouTube. We look forward to reaching out to more students and helping them learn English communication. The Department of English and Teleeducation Center, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication have put great efforts to produce the series of these videos. I congratulate the staff members of both these departments for having brought out this wonderful online course in spoken English, through which our university aims to reach out the student community across Karnataka and other states as well. I take this opportunity to thank all the resource persons who dedicated their efforts to make these videos lectures effective. With these few words, I conclude my inaugural speech. Thank you, one and all.
Sir, thank you very much for inaugurating the course. It is important to know what this course will be about and how it will be beneficial. So now I request the course coordinator Shri Akshay A. Yardi to speak a few words about this course.
A very good evening to one and all. Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Omkar Kakade, respected Registrar Professor R. Sunandamma, Chairperson Professor Namdev Gowda, Coordinator Department of English Mr. Deepak Shinde, teachers of various departments of the university, and dear listeners. It gives me immense pleasure to speak a few words about the online course in spoken English. Online course in spoken English is an ambitious project undertaken by Karnataka State Akkamadevi Women's University, Vijayapur. Understanding the need of the hour, the Tele-Education Center, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, in collaboration with the Department of English, have come forward to produce e-content for English communication. The students, especially of North Karnataka, come mostly from rural backgrounds, where there are limited opportunities to get exposed to the English atmosphere in their schools and colleges. The students don't get an environment where they can converse in English with people. Well, this limitation has created in the minds of students a sort of fear about English language and especially about communicating in English. This fear has in turn led to a lack of confidence and competence. But we need not be discouraged. We should always remember the saying, where there is a will, there is a way. If there are no opportunities, we need to create them. Apart from the regular online classes, there is a need to keep the students involved and engaged in productive, creative and developmental academic activities. A course in spoken English would certainly enhance their skills, which would be a part of their personality development. There are several online platforms available today for sharing knowledge of a subject, but we thought of YouTube as the most effective medium to reach out to students, as it is easily accessible. The university has its own practical news channel on YouTube, that is Akka TV, and the same will be now used to bring out this course for online audience and viewers. I feel happy to inform you all that this course is totally free of cost. It shall run for a duration of nearly 120 days, that is nearly 4 months, and we will be uploading one video lecture on Akka TV at 6:30 p.m. every evening starting tomorrow. Considering the span of attention of students, we will keep the lectures brief, yet they will be filled with quality content. By keeping the videos short, we will ensure there will be no overdose of any topic at once. The students can watch the videos quite comfortably retain the matter taught in each lecture in their minds, and there would be enough time for the learners to remember, study, apply and practice the exercises of spoken English taught throughout this course. To make it easy for the students of Karnataka, the resource persons will be using bilingual method so that the students will feel at home while watching the video lectures. So, it will be a mixture of Kannada as well as English to make it easy to understand. Apart from the traditional English teachers, several resource persons and experts in English grammar, communicative English and corporate communication will be training you in communicative skills. Along with the basics of English grammar such as parts of speech, tenses, voices, reported speech, the course also features communicative aspects of English, situational dialogues, greetings, etiquettes, expressions, idioms and phrases, vocabulary enhancement exercises, phonetics, sounds, pronunciation, voice modulation, punctuations, intonation, preparing short speeches, contractions and slangs in English. These are some of the major modules which will be dealt with in this lecture series. Thus, I am sure that this course will be a perfect blend of theoretical knowledge of the subject as well as practical application of English in day-to-day conversation. The link of the videos will be shared with all the registered students on WhatsApp. Even those who have not yet registered will have an opportunity to attend this course by subscribing to Akka TV YouTube channel. Please remember to hit that bell icon to get notifications. Let me also tell you that we welcome your feedbacks. You can share your opinions by writing in the comments section below each video. Your valuable feedbacks shall definitely help us grow more effectively. With these unique features of the course, we look forward to serve a large number of students by imparting to them one of the most essential skills of today's world, that is English communication. Hoping to meet you all at 6:30 p.m. every evening starting tomorrow on Akka TV channel. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening the audience about the course. It is now time to convey the feeling of gratitude as we come towards the last stage of this function. I take this opportunity to call upon Professor Namdev M. Gowda, Chairperson, Department of English, to present vote of thanks.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರಮ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ರೂವಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ನನಗೆ ಅತೀವ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳುವ ಈ ಸದಾವಕಾಶ ನನಗೆ ಲಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಓಂಕಾರ ಗೌಡ ಕಾಕಡೆ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವಿಭಾಗ, ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮ ವಿಭಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಕುಲಸಚಿವರಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆರ್ ಸುನಂದಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಈ ತರಬೇತಿಯ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಅರ್ದಿ ಇವರಿಗೂ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ದೀಪಕ್ ಎಚ್ ಸಿಂಧೆ ಇವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ನೀಡಲಿರುವ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರುಕ್ಮಾ ವಾಸುದೇವ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ನಿವೇದಿತಾ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸೌಮ್ಯ BV, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ನಂದಾ ಹಂಪಿಗೋಳಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸುರುದಾ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅನುಪಮಾ ಢವಳೆ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮನೋಜ್ ಕೋಟ್ನೀಸ್, ಶ್ರೀ ಚನ್ನಬಸವ ಅಸ್ಪರಿ, ಶ್ರೀ ನಂದಕಿಶೋರ್ ಎಸ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಮಠಪತಿ, ಮಿಸ್ ಜೆನಿಫರ್ ಸೌಲಂ, ಶ್ರೀ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಎ ಯಾರ್ದಿ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಕ ಕಲೆಗಳ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿದ ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದುಗಳಾದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನಾರ್ಪಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಲು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you, sir. Dear listeners, before I conclude, let me remind you once again that the lectures will be telecast at 6:30 p.m. every day on this channel. Don't miss any video of this useful series. Thank you. Have a great evening.